Hello, Saturday night, almost 11 p.m. My daughter is finally asleep, so it is playtime for me. But first, okay, now we can start. Almost forgot about this board, the LilyGo T Display S3 Pro. There are two versions of this board, this white one, which is essentially closed, and another version without this black cover, making all GPIOs accessible. There are also versions of this. Sorry, colors are so bad. Now it's better. There is also version of this board with camera here, but that is another story. So I just wanted to show you what I've been working on over the past few days and to show you how you can use existing hardware in those ESP32 development boards to create something cool and unique like this battery charger. And I also wanted to show you this renewed, this is paid project, this renewed PCB clock. Unfortunately, this real-time clock module is losing connection. I've spent the last 2 or we can say even 3 days installing laminate floors in one part of my house. I spent many hours on my knees and now I have muscle pain everywhere. But on the bright side, I've found new usage for old and unused PCBs. I still have quite a few of them, and all from PCBWay, who happens to be the sponsor of this video. PCBWay offers much more than just PCB productions. They can print your 3D models, provide CNC machining service, and so much more. Check out their website, the link is in the description. They have always been ready to support my work, and in doing so have helped me to put floors. Let's talk about the project. I already made something similar, but this looks much better. This development board features SY6970 power management IC, highly integrated battery charge management IC designed for single-cell lithium batteries, and it is commonly used in portable devices such as smartphones, tablets, wearable electronics. And my idea was to use this great IC to charge external batteries. Why? Because I can fine-tune target voltage and charging current, and also because it looks great, because I added Batman here. This version of board comes with its own battery, but you can choose your external battery here. Yes, I place piece of cardboard to make isolator. But for external batteries, much better choice is this version, and LilyGo this external board. Right now it's unavailable on their site, I don't know why. It is a better choice because the pins are accessible, so making it easy to connect your battery here. This pin and this pin, ground and battery pin, you can connect your external battery here, but it is much easier to connect your battery here because here is also header pins. But I noticed that, I don't know, can you see this, that markings of pins here are wrong, they are upside down. So here is ground, but basically this pin is ground. Markings on the left are basically markings on the right, and third from here is battery. So this is wrong, upside down. LilyGo, if you saw this video, please fix this. But why you would like to charge a battery like this? So here I can turn off or on my charger. I can see that my battery is pretty weak. When I turn on charger, it would immediately raise millivolts. Here I can set my target voltage. Right now is pretty high. Here is charging current. Here I can dial my number. Here I can see is USB connected. And don't forget to turn on this switch when you are charging your batteries. So here we can see is connected, disconnected, input voltage 5.1 volts, and that's practically it. Another silly project, but through those projects I'm testing boards, I'm learning, and I'm having fun, and I'm making something. And it is always interesting when friends ask, "Can you send me a link? Where did you buy this?" Thank you for your time. Yes, code for this will be in description, so if you have this board you can monitor and charge your battery wisely. And I forgot to say why you want to set current and target voltage, because maybe you are battery nerd like me, but it is always wise to, for example, you can't charge this tiny battery and this huge battery with same current. Smaller the battery, smaller current needs to be. Thank you for your time and for watching my videos. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are my old viewer, thank you. Goodbye.